Hi, this is Dr. Snapseed. Today we are going to show you a special photo editing, based on double exposure. So let's watch it, and learn the way of doing it, by following the signs, shown on the video. Select the first photo, from the gallery, and adjust it, in photo frame, as you prefer. Put the opacity, on the highest level. Then, remove, the useless parts of the second photo, by the mask tool, carefully. The more careful you are, the better the result will be. Select the second photo from the gallery. As you did for the first one, place the photo, in the right position of the main photo, according to your taste. Adjust the opacity. And again, remove the useless parts, also for this photo too. For a natural result of this editing process, we want to add some shadow to the flower pot. So, we use the Toon Image tool, and try to darken the whole parts of the photo a bit. And now, we restrict the darkness to the flower pot around, and remove the parts we don't need, by the mask tool. As we did it before, go to Gallery, choose the proper photo, and add to the main photo. Put the photo, on the right position which you want. Then, adjust the opacity. Use the mask tool, to remove the unnecessary parts. This method must be used for the next two steps of this editing process. after adding all the photos to the main photo. Now it's the time of add some filters to the final photo, and make it more alive and attractive. So, we first use the HDR tool, and adjust it to the proper degree. The second filter is Vintage tool, to make the photo colors more cinematic and a bit artistic. After adjusting the filter elements, now the final photo is ready. Save the photo, and enjoy the creative editing process you have done. If you want to watch more of this editing video, subscribe the channel, so you will not miss our coming videos every week.